Hello everyone. So today I have another Goophone N10, which is supposed to be similar to Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So let's see what we got here. It's shipped from, where is it? Shipped from Korea. So I bought it from DHgate for less than $100, 100 US dollars, I should say. And like in my other videos, I wanted to show you how Goophone N10 looks like. So they shipped it out with plastic case, TPU case, and the screen protector. Look, now I can say this is Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus clone, because again, I know I did not buy Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So it was listed as Goophone N10 Plus. So looks like it has Samsung logo. It came sealed. So let's open this up. Oops. If you like my video, please like and share and subscribe so I can bring more videos. I also will know that you like my video and you want to see more of this if you subscribe. Again, came in bubble pack, plastic wrap. This is Note 10 Plus, Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let's see if it came with logo. Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Look, Samsung. Rear cameras. I think this is front camera. Let's see what's in the box. Just a quick start guide. I wish I could buy original Samsung Note 10 Plus and show you what is different, but I'm not that rich. Maybe you can help me by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Maybe I'll be able to buy expensive phones one day and do the unboxing and reviewing of the phone. But this one is like less than $100. I'm trying to see if, okay, I'm just gonna pull this out and show you. Usually design looks like Apple earbuds. Usually Samsung sends out with, Samsung is usually AKG, I think. So this one looks like Apple earbuds with control. Okay. Push this in. Wall adapter, came with SIM ejector as well, and here is a USB cable. You probably want me to turn it on and show you, but I'll do the review video. Please subscribe so you will know when I post the review video and basic review video of basic features I usually do. With it shows the touch fingerprint sensor here, but last video I did for Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus clone, it was the fake fingerprint. So yeah, like and share and subscribe if you want to see the review video of this phone. Actually, where is the SIM card? Right here. SIM card tray. So looks like this phone doesn't take SD card. I don't see a slot for SD card. I can't even focus on this. Sorry about the blur video. So this is the Samsung, supposed to be Samsung Pen, but it's not Samsung Pen. All right, so thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.